we broke free. Okay, turn back. Today, what's going on, Landon?
Got food in my mouth.
That don't matter. You always talk with food in your mouth. He passed his driver's thing so he can get his learner's permit. And we're headed to Wayne County right now. It's like 2.5 hour drive. We're going to pick a Suburban up for some running gear for his truck. Go at him, buddy. There you go, stop. We got some help in the back seat. We're gonna go try to load this thing. Stay tuned. See if we can figure out how to get to this thing. Okay, move those limbs, drag those limbs out of the way.
Are we getting the red one?
We're working that one. He's paying one owner, this old girl.
Missing a lot of stuff. Tranny still seems to be there.
Yeah, it's got a turbo 400 and a 203.
What?
At least it has wheels.
That'll roll. We can get it on pretty easy.
Yeah. What do you think?
I think that thing's gonna work good with your truck.
Come help move this up here. You're a good signaler, my friend.
We can turn that into the next Nitro Circus diesel.
Okay, let's get the ramps. Oh, man, we broke free.
Little tough. Huh. It's like this hood was painted with house paint.
You're gonna have to steer, Landon.
Okay.
21 owner. Didn't get this wrap put in very good. I think it's gonna work, but don't let it turn. There you go. It'll have lots of parts you need and everything you need. All we're really after is front and rear end for this truck. So it's got what we came for. We're gonna have to hook on this driver's side. Okay, turn back. Right there. You'll ski by. Perfect. Turn more. Right there.
Is the back gonna go on?
I don't know, we'll. We may have to jack it up, tip it over with the handyman once we get it on. It's not going to follow very well. It doesn't fall off the cable door. It'll be alright.
How is that?
Hard to get out. Open.
Be alright.
Move the ways.
That wasn't too painful. Alright, just like that. Load it up.
Yep.
Off she goes.
Alright, fellas.
That wasn't so bad, was it? No? Got her loaded. Now we're gonna go check over on another thing that I bought from the same guy. I work with Jesse. He sold me an old Willys wagon. We're gonna go check it out. All right, we are over here where the Willys is. Someone's already put a 283 in it that I think I can make run. It turns over, so it shouldn't be too hard. It seems to be pretty much all here. The tailgate's here. It's got, someone did a bad job fixing the rust in it. You can see that. They've hacked a hole in it for the dash, or for a stereo that we're gonna have to deal with. It's got a power glide in it with what I'm imagining is a Dana 20 or 18 transfer case. Got a whole bunch of chrome stuff in here for it. So
Pretty cool seats in that.
dash is all here. Keys even in it. So we're gonna do something with it. So you should probably comment, tell us what you think we ought to do with this thing. I don't know if we should leave it fairly original or if we should do something cool with it. I don't know. Let us know what you think.
It's pretty beautiful, isn't it?
It is. It's a beaut.
It's a beaut clock.
All right, so we just got home. She's not pretty, but it's got the important parts we're after. So basically that front end right there and that rear end is what we're after. And this, some steering parts and miscellaneous stuff. What are we putting it in?
That truck all the way over there.
This is it. It's got a big block in it. We don't need a big block. It does have air conditioning. We'll keep that. It does work. We're gonna put a small block in it, fuel inject it. This two-wheel drive. We're gonna four-wheel drive it. And then he's gonna pick a color and we'll get it painted. But it's a clean truck. There's no rust in this. Super clean. We're gonna build a custom flatbed for the back. Build driver. That's about it.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Are you excited to get a job to pay for the gas?
No.
Well, it's gonna happen or it will be parked. What did you get today, Land?
That.
Learner's permit.
He's about legal.
So he's about legal, so we gotta get his truck done.
Anyhow, it's got some good parts. We had to give a couple $100 for it, which is not bad for an old junky Chevy. And Landon will get it stripped, and we'll get working on his truck one of these days. I think I'll take these clean one owner doors, and they'll go on the wood truck, because my doors suck on the wood truck. They leak air everywhere.
Same with the fender.
These probably won't.
These are nice.
One giant
That'll pop right out, no big deal. It's got a 203 transfer case in it that's going in the tow truck. It's gonna hook to my 205 that's going in it. So we got lots of good parts for $200. Most people see junk, but not so much here. I like it.
We see treasure.
We? You can see it?
No,
That's
actually
what I
I should
thought.
just say you
That's
see
what I
treasure.
thought.